Hello dear student, I am Sakshi Sharma from NIT Pharmacy Institute. Today I am going to take your lecture about the drug addiction, drug abuse, tolerance and dependence. So now we shall start. Now first of all, what is drug addictions? ड्रग एडिक्शन हमारा क्या होता है? ड्रग एडिक्शन इट इज़ अ क्रॉनिक ब्रेन डिजीज एंड इट इज़ मेनली करेक्टराइज बाय कंपल्सिव एट टाइम uncontrolled drug. When there is a more craving of the drug will occur, this condition is known as the drug addiction condition, and there is a seeking and use that persists even in the face of extremely, there is a negative consciousness can be seen in that addicted persons. Okay, he or she is very much addicted of all the drugs, and they are more compulsive, and there is a uncontrolled craving of the drug will happen. Now there are mainly 5 C of the addiction can be occur. First one is the chronic disease. There is a loss of control can be happen in that person. There is a compulsive uses. There is access there. The person is uses the compulsive uses of these drugs more and more. There is a negative despite. The individuals who are taking these and who are addicted to these drugs, there is a negative despite can be seen in that individuals. There is more craving can be occur. Craving होती है उनको बहुत ज़्यादा बार बार लेने की इच्छा होती है उन लोग को. Now these are the cycle of the addiction. This is a cycle. If any of the individual is addicted, what are the cycle of the addiction? This is the old behavior patterns can be seen. There is a unsatisfying outcomes. Unsatisfying outcomes means वो कुछ भी करेगा लेकिन उसको लगेगा कि there is a unsatisfied outcomes will be come after the result. Okay, and there is a confusion or frustration. More frustration can be seen in that individuals. There is a pain, fear, anxiety can be seen. There is a more anxiety, more pain can be seen in that individual. There is a building anger, frustration बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है, बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आने लगता है उन लोगों को who are very much addicted of these drugs. There is a feeling of powerlessness. They are feeling more powerlessness. उनको लगता है उन पर पावर नहीं रही है, powerlessness हो जाते हैं हमारे वो. Explosion of anger, anger बहुत जल्दी आता है, गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता है उन लोगों को. There is a physical release and relief. Physical release और relief होता है. Somewhat is hurt by what happened. Someone is hurt by what happened. Someone hurt हो जाता है हमारा बहुत जल्दी, वो कुछ भी हुआ होता है. There is a guilt. Guilt उनको बहुत रहता है. Shame उनको बहुत रहती है. Unmet needs उनको बहुत रहता है. There is a more needs, more demands of their body that they are taking more and more drugs. Okay, there is a old behavioral patterns can be seen. उनका behavior बहुत ज़्यादा annoying behavior रहता है उनका हर किसी को लेके. This is the cycle of the addiction. This is the main activities which can be seen to the patient who are addicted to the drugs. Now what are the causes of the drug addiction? What are the various causes of these drugs? There are several factors and causes to be considered with addiction. We can consider various factors or various causes can be seen. As I have already told you that drug addictions, there are various factors or cycles can be involved in the drug addiction. First, there is a genetic component that is passed from, if any of the individuals are taking these drugs, it will genetically pass to his son or to his daughter. This is a inherited condition. Okay, this can be transferred from genetically to the offsprings or to the next generations. If your blood relatives had the predisposition to become they are very much addicted to any kind of drug, there is a chances that the same tendency can be seen to the next generation. This is all about the causes of the drug addiction. First one is the main genetic. Second one is the personality contributes to the, there is a personality which can contribute to the drug addiction. There is a more peer pressure can be seen in both of the teenagers and the adults, that they are very much use can they are very much उनको बहुत ज़्यादा ये होता है कि हम लोग वो ड्रग यूज़ करें. There is a peer pressure can be seen in that individuals. Now these are the various stages of the drug addiction. First one is the experimentation. Some of the individuals are become addicted from time to time. First one is the experimentation. उनमें क्या होता है, experimentation करने की वो होती है, they are using the drugs for showing the other persons. This is known as, this comes under the condition of the experimentation. Second one is the, after the experimentation they will come to the regular use of these drugs. Then third one is the, they will become the addicted person. There is a risky use and the abusance can be seen in that patient. And the fourth one stage is the dependency, that they can't live without these drugs. This is known as the dependency stage which will come. First one I have told you, first one is the experimentation. There is a more curiosity in can be seen in the motivators. There is a learning of thirst, that how these drugs will respond in our body. So in the experimentation they will use these drugs. Second one is the regular use. After the experimentation they come in, these person can come in the regular use. There is a use in thinking more about the, these person can think more about the drugs. There is a user uses when feels alone. They can be used these drugs when they are feeling alone. Users still think that they have a, users think that they have a control in themselves, but if they comes due to the regular use of these drugs, if they come in the dependence or the addiction stage, they will not come to the back conditions. Third one is the third one stage which I have told you, that the risky use and the abuses can be seen in the patient or the individual. They have a has confidence in using the, they can use they got the confidence that they are using the drug in a proper manner. Okay, user think that a drug won't, they think that these drugs do not hurt their body. Okay, they seeks out to the, there is a high conditions can be seen in the patient. Fourth one is the dependency condition, in which there is a addiction can be seen in the patient, and their user use the drug to avoid the sick, and drugs become the center of their life. Drug becomes the main center of their life, that these person or the addicted person can't live without these drugs. Now what are the various addictions can be seen by using these drugs? There is a loss of appetite, उनको भूख लगना बिल्कुल बंद हो जाता है. There is a more headache can be seen in that patient. There is a anxiety problems can be seen. Elevated BP उनका बहुत ज़्यादा हाई रहता है. There is a chest pain can be seen. Irregular heartbeat can be seen. Cold blushing finger can be seen. Difficulty in urination, and the changes of, there is a body temperature rise or low can be seen in that patient. What are the consequences? Now what are the consequences of the drug addiction? Drugs, as we all know that the drugs are, these are the chemicals, and different drugs, because of their chemical structure, they can affect the body in a different ways. Okay, in fact some drugs can even changes the person body in the brain. They can changes the thought perception of that individuals. Okay, and after the person stop taking the drug, there are major side effects can be seen. Withdrawal symptoms can be seen in that patient. Now consequences, first one is the injuries. More injuries can be seen in the patient who are very much addicted to these drugs. More death and more illness or disabilities can be seen in that patient who are very much addicted to these drugs. Okay, second one is the health problems can be seen. As I have already told you, there is a changes in the temperatures can be seen. There is a more headache, cardiac problems can be seen in the addicted person. There is a weaken, the immune system is very much weak in these persons. There is increasing the suspect, there are most these person are more susceptible to the infection. कहीं पे भी infection होता है, they are more susceptible to these infections, and they also these other health problems including the cardiovascular conditions can be rises, and there is an abnormal heartbeat can be occur in that person. And all the drugs abuses, I have already told you in the previous lecture that there are various drug abuse which can be used, like nicotine, cocaine, marijuana. These can affect the brain. These drugs may affect the brains. They mainly produces a reward circuit which is a part of the, this is a part of the limbic system. जो limbic system का होता है हमारा, उसका हमारा ये part होता है. Drugs like drug hijacks can be seen, reward system which usually or causing unusual large amount of, there is more dopamine can be released in the brain system, and due to the high level of dopamine there is a euphoria condition can be seen in that patient. क्योंकि हमारा क्या होता है, जो पर्सन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ड्रग एडिक्टेड होता है उसमें क्या होता है, हमारा डोपामीन बहुत ज़्यादा रिलीज हो जाता है, और ड्यू टू द मोर स्टिमुलेशन ऑफ द डोपामीन, डोपामीन के रिलीज होने की वजह से क्या होता है, हमारा देयर इज़ अ यूफोरिया, यूफोरिया की कंडीशन डेवलप हो जाती है उन पेशेंट्स में. Now second one is the drug abuse. What is drug abuse? Drug abuse, it is often closely associated with the drug, they are more associated with the drug dependence, they are closely resemble with the drug dependence. And dependence, as I've already told you that the dependent, it is about physical and physiological. There are mainly two types of dependence, physical dependence and physiological dependence, and the sudden withdrawal of such drugs of dependence can result in withdrawal. There are various withdrawal symptoms can also be seen in the patient or the individual if they are withdrawing these drugs. Okay. Now drug abuse, some of the drugs can be used, there are various drugs which can be used as a abusive drugs, like the CNS stimulant, like amphetamines can be used, methylphenidate can be used, cocaine, caffeine, nicotine, this can be used. If these drugs are used in a proper dose which is used for our body, these drugs are very much useful, but due to the ओवर यूज़ ऑफ दीज ड्रग्स, जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं इन ड्रग्स को तो उनका क्या होता है, एडिक्शन कॉज हो जाता है हमारी बॉडी में, एंड विच मेनली प्रोड्यूसेस द ड्रग अब्यूज, ड्रग अब्यूज़ की कंडीशन हमारी बॉडी में जनरेट हो जाती है. सेकेंड वन इज द CNS, दीज आर द स्टिमुलेटरी ड्रग्स विच स्टिमुलेट द CNS. सेकेंड वन इज द डिप्रेसिव ड्रग्स विच विल डिप्रेस द CNS, जो हमारे CNS पार्ट को क्या करेगी, डिप्रेस करेगी. फर्स्ट वन इज द ओपियोइड, ओपियोइड ड्रग्स हमारी यूज़ होती है. सेकेंड वन इज द हेल्यूसिनोजेंस. द ओपियोइड्स drugs are the heroin, morphine, pethidine, ethyl alcohol, barbiturates, benzodiazepine. These are the opioids drugs which will depress the CNS part. Second one is the hallucinogen like LSD, lysergic acid, mescaline. These are the drugs which can be used as a hallucinogen. Cannabinoids, this is a very important drug, hallucinogens, which mainly produces the drug abuse. Now what are the various action or what are the various CNS stimulatory or CNS stimulatory drug abuse which can be used? First one is the caffeine. These are the long term, due to the long term intake of these caffeine, they mainly produces a dependence in the body, and their withdrawal symptom, if we are withdrawing these caffeines in our from our day to day life, it mainly produces a headache and lethargy can be occur in that patient. Second one is the nicotine. Nicotine, it is mainly present in the tobacco. Okay, it is an alkaloid which is mainly present in the tobacco, and it is usually comes under the category of drug dependence. And tobacco, it is used for smoking as a cigarette, as well as the other route like nasal insufflation of snuff, or by chewing the individual can take the nicotine. This also produces the drug abuse. Methylphenidate, this is a structure related to the amphetamine drug, and it is a mild CNS stimulant. They will produce a mild CNS stimulatory effect and release. They mainly produces the release of catecholamines from the intracellular stores and stimulate. They will stimulate the adrenergic system, and due to the more stimulation of these adrenergic system, they will produces the increases the alertness, awakeness, attention, and they will reduces the fatigueness. Now these are the stimulatory drugs. Now we will discuss about the depressant drugs. Depressant drugs, the first one category is the sedative hypnotic drugs like barbiturates, benzodiazepine. I have already told you that barbiturates, benzodiazepine, these are the drugs which mainly produces the sedative and the hypnotic action in our body, and these are used as a abusive drug for their pleasurable effect and the anxiolytic properties. Due to their anxiolytic anti-anxiety properties, these drugs can be used as the abusive drugs. And barbiturates overdose, due to the overdose of these barbiturates, they may produce the fatalness can be produced in the individual. Second one is the ethanol, alcohol जो consume करते हैं, it is common, it is very much common, and the oldest agent of abuse का बहुत oldest agent होता है हमारा. And chronic जो हमारा drinkers होते हैं, they will develop the withdrawal symptoms on the sudden. If the individual is कंज्यूमिंग मोर एंड मोर अल्कोहल अगर कोई कंज्यूम कर रहा है, देन इट विल द इंडिविजुअल इज विड्रॉ अगर वो करता है हमारा, वो छोड़ना चाहता है, तो हमारे कुछ विड्रॉल सिम्टम्स भी हमारे इंडिविजुअल्स में हमारे शो होते हैं ऑन सडन स्टॉपिंग ऑफ अल्कोहल एंड इट विल डेवलप द क्रेविंग। इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, उनको क्रेविंग जनरेट होती है ड्रग्स के लिए। थर्ड वन इज द हेल्यूसिनोजन। हेल्यूसिनोजन ड्रग्स भी हमारा यूज होती है, लाइक लाइसर्जिक एसिड, डाइथैलेमाइड। दीज लाइसर्जिक एसिड आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू अबाउट द हेल्यूसिनोजन दैट इट इज अ सेमी सिंथेटिक डेरिवेटिव। दीज आर द सेमी सिंथेटिक डेरिवेटिव एंड दे आर मोर क्लोजली रिलेटेड टू द एर्गट alkaloid argotamine and it causes these LSD they mainly produces a ureterine contraction produce करती है and they will alter the perception को increase करती है, टेरर को इंक्रीज करती हैं, हमारा इम्पेयरमेंट ऑफ द जजमेंट में इम्पेयर कर देती हैं, वी कान जज द पर्सन। अनदर ड्रग्स आर द mescaline it is obtained from the cactus plant and it has it is also show the hallucinogenic effect and it will produce a euphoria condition भी प्रोड्यूस करती हैं हमारी ये जो mescaline होती है। it will also produce the alertness, visual illusion, mood and thinking disability. Now the another terms which we have to learn about the drug dependence. Drug dependence क्या होता है? Drug dependence is it is defined as a compulsive craving जो develop हो जाती है हमारी after if we are repeatedly administering the drug, it mainly produces the dependence in our body that we can't live without that drugs and there is a compulsive craving can be occur in that individuals, okay, and dependence occur with a wide range of psychotropic acting by different there is a different mechanism of the dependence can be seen in the individuals. And the common features of the dependence producing drugs is that they have a positive, these will produces a positive reinforcing action, reward associated with activation of the, they will increase or the activate the mesolimbic dopaminergic pathway. I have already told you due to the increase in the dopamine का concentration हमारी body में increase होता है, it will increases the alertness और ये सब stimulation cause होता है. Okay, now the drug dependence, it is of two type. First one is the physical dependence, second one is the physiological or the mental dependence. Okay, now first one is the physical dependence. Physical dependence क्या होती है? There is a intensive craving होती है हमारी drugs की, like alcohol हो गया, हमारा opioids हो गया. This comes under the category of physical dependence. Second one, there is a tolerance invariably present. टॉलरेंस कैन बी डेवलप, टॉलरेंस हमारी डेवलप हो जाती है हमारी ड्यू टू द फिजिकल डिपेंडेंस की वजह से. देयर इज अ विड्रॉल इफेक्ट आर सीवियर, द विड्रॉल इफेक्ट होते हैं हमारे फिजिकल डिपेंडेंस के, दीज आर वेरी मच सीवियर. दे मे कॉजेज द CNS डिप्रेसेंट इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं हमारे जो डिप्रेसेंट होते हैं हमारे या फिजिकल डिपेंडेंस, लाइक ओपियोइड्स हो गए, बार्बिचुरेट्स हो गए हमारे. एंड लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग विड्रॉल सिम्टम्स कैन बी सीन, इफेक्ट आर इन एक्चुअल एविडेंस और फिजिकल डिपेंडेंस. Alcohol on heavy and prolonged use produces, alcohol जो ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करता है, they may also produces a physical dependence, उनमें भी हमारा physical dependence की condition आ जाती है. Now we have to study about the physiological or the mental dependence. As the name indicate, there is a mental dependence can be occur. This will go far beyond the physical and it is state in which a person mental, there is a mainly the mental, जो mental health होता है हमारा patient का, वो affect होता है हमारा physiological dependence में. And if they are denied access to a substance, in this case tobacco and cigarette, like tobacco और cigarette में हमारा फिजियोलॉजिकल डिपेंडेंस सीन होती है हमारी एट लो डोज. अगर हम लो डोज कैरी करते हैं हमारे, इट मेनली प्रोड्यूसेस स्लीप डिफिकल्टीज कैन बी सीन इन द इंडिविजुअल, बट एट द हाई डोजेस हेल्यूसिनेशन एंड डिसओरिएंटेशंस कैन बी सीन इन द इंडिविजुअल्स. Now these are the stages of the drug dependence. What are the stages? These are the 4 stages of the 3 stages of the drug dependence. First one is the binge intoxications, there is a predominant neurocirculatory can be seen in it. There is a biomarker. What are the biomarker of the binge and intoxication? There is a acute drug exposure due to acute drug effect. There is genetic of intoxications can be occur. Now second one is the withdrawal or the negative effect are seen, like physical dependence, pathophysiology of withdrawal. What are the pathophysiology? What is the genetic of the mood responses? What is the genetic of the withdrawal? Third one is the preoccupation or anticipation or means craving. This mainly produces the neurocognitive markers, neurofunctional imaging. There is a vulnerability to the relapse, and inhibitory controls can be seen. Now first one is the stages of the drug dependence. There is management of the dependence, in which substitution therapy can be given. Substitution therapy by a similar drugs having a longer T-half can be given to the patient. Antagonistic drugs to prevent the relapse once drug free status can be achieved. There is a anti-craving drugs can be given. There is a adversive therapy can be given by a drug that can produce an unpleasant response after taking of these abused drugs, or rehabilitations and physiological interventions can be seen. Now what is drug tolerance? This is very important about the drug tolerance. Drug tolerance मैंने आपको बताया था क्या होता है. अगर if we are taking the example अगर हम बात करते हैं, मैं आपको सिंपल बता रही हूँ what is tolerance. टॉलरेंस मतलब क्या होता है, मान लो आप कोई पैरासीटामोल ड्रग्स है, पैरासीटामोल की हमारे अगर हम लोग शुरू में कोई 150 mg हमारा पैरासीटामोल ले रहा है, तो हमारी बॉडी में क्या करते हैं, अगर वो इफ़ वी आर टेकिंग 150 mg मोर एंड मोर टाइम्स, देयर इज अ टॉलरेंस कैन बी क्रिएटेड इन द बॉडी. उसकी बॉडी में क्या होगी, हमारी टॉलरेंस क्रिएट होगी. मतलब जितना रिस्पॉन्स हमारा पहले आता है, अब वो 150 mg से उतना रिस्पॉन्स हमारा नहीं आएगा. रिस्पॉन्स क्या होगा, हमारा कम होते जाएगा. इसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए हमारा क्या होगा, जो कंसंट्रेशन, वी हैव टू इंक्रीज द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द ड्रग. जो ड्रग की कंसंट्रेशन होगी उसको हमारा क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. अगर हम 250 mg ड्रग लेते हैं, वो हमारा 250 mg में उतना ही हमारा रिस्पॉन्स शो करेगा जितना हमारा 150 mg में शो करता है. मतलब हमारी बॉडी ने क्या कर ली, टॉलरेंस डेवलप कर ली है. मतलब हमारी बॉडी ने टॉलरेंस डेवलप की है. हमारी बॉडी जितना रिस्पॉन्स उस ड्रग डोज में शो करती थी, उतना रिस्पॉन्स शो ना करके we have to take the higher dose of that drug for producing the similar actions in our body. Now tolerance, it is a requirement of the higher doses. जब हमारी बॉडी को higher doses की requirement होती है, that comes under the category of the tolerance. उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं tolerance. Higher doses of drug to produce is a given. मतलब we have to, if we have to produce the same response in our body, we have to take the higher dose of the drug. Okay. Now upon repeated, due to the repeated administration, there is a decreased effect in seen can be seen in the individuals, or large doses can be needed. There is a more dose, large doses can be, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया पैरासीटामोल का एग्जांपल, 150 mg पहले वो लेता था, लेकिन 150 mg में अब वो रिस्पॉन्स उतना शो नहीं कर रहा है. रिस्पॉन्स क्या कर रहा है, हमारा कम शो कर रहा है. तो वी हैव टू इंक्रीज द डोज ऑफ द ड्रग फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग द सिमिलर एक्शन. उतने ही सिमिलर एक्शन को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए वी हैव टू इंक्रीज द डोज. नाउ वी हैव टू टेक द 250 mg of the drug for producing the similar action in our body. Now upon the if we are taking the repeated due to the repeated administration of the drug, there is a decreased effect can be seen on the large need to obtain the same. We have to repeated administration, due to the repeated administration of these drugs, there is a decreased effect seen हो जाता है हमारा. अगर वो बार बार 150 mg यूज कर रहा है, तो decreased effect can be seen in the patient, and decreased effect की वजह से क्या होगा, हमारा उतना ही इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए they have to take a larger dose of the drugs. उनको larger dose लेनी पड़ेगी, and larger dose needed to obtain the same. जो previous dose जितना हमारा इफेक्ट शो करती थी, उसके लिए उसको larger dose लेनी पड़ेगी उतना ही इफेक्ट शो करने के लिए. Now if we talk about the tolerance is mainly of two types, two types की होती है हमारी tolerance. First one is a natural tolerance, for it in which there is innate or congenital tolerance can become species, racial, individual. Tolerance can become like rabbit, they are very much tolerated to the drugs like atropine. Atropine की वजह से बहुत जल्दी rabbits में हमारा tolerance create हो जाता है हमारा. लाइक ब्लैक रेसेस, मोर ब्लैक रेसेस में हमारे जो इंडिविजुअल्स होते हैं उसमें माइग्रेटिक कंडीशंस सीन हो जाती हैं, हमारी टॉलरेंस सीन हो जाती है हमारी. सम इंडिविजुअल हाइपो रिस्पॉन्डर्स जो होते हैं, अल्कोहल और बीटा ब्लॉकर्स के कुछ हाइपो रिस्पॉन्डर्स होते हैं, उनमें भी हमारी टॉलरेंस क्रिएट हो जाती है. फर्स्ट वन इज द नेचुरल टॉलरेंस, सेकेंड वन इज द एक्वायर्ड टॉलरेंस. व्हाट इज एक्वायर्ड टॉलरेंस? ड्यू टू द रिपीटेड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज इनिशियली, रिपीटेड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की वजह से इनिशियली उतना रिस्पॉन्स दिखाएगी हमारी ड्रग, लेकिन सीन विद मोस्ट दिस कंडीशन, दिस एक्वायर्ड टॉलरेंस मेनली कम्स सीन विद मोस्ट ऑफ द ड्रग। बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रग्स के साथ हमारी एक्वायर्ड टॉलरेंस की कंडीशन सीन की जाती है, सिग्निफिकेंट इन द CNS डिप्रेसेंट कंडीशन जो होती है हमारी, लाइक ओपियोइड्स हो गई, बार्बिचुरेट्स हो गई, नाइट्राइट्स हो गई, जेंथीन हो गई, नॉट विद एट्रोपिन नाइट्रोप्रोसाइड के साथ हमारी ये कंडीशन नहीं आती है हमारी। So I hope you all understand about the tolerance. This is all about the tolerance. Thank you.